Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what matters. Identify 5 core values that steer your voice and write them down. Then, immediately record 3 short voice memos today, 1 authentic reaction, 1 explanation, 1 story. Once done, pick a single audience persona and speak to that person aloud. This focus helps you shape tone and word choice. Make sure to time each memo and label it. Comparison over time reveals patterns, strengths, and awkward phrasing to fix. Now you refine by listening and editing. Play back 10 recordings and mark recurring phrases, filler words, and emotional range. Once identified, practice targeted exercises, 15-minute focused writing sessions that force clarity, and vocal drills alternating soft and bold delivery to expand range. Make sure to apply edits to new recordings immediately and iterate. Change 1 variable at a time so you can attribute improvement. Use contrast and specificity to shape memorable lines, then test them on your persona. Finish by crafting a signature intro line and 3 platform-specific samples, short, medium, and long versions, then record polished takes. Once done, stage them publicly or with trusted peers and collect feedback. Prioritize consistency across formats. If progress stalls, troubleshoot. Swap context for 1 week, speak as a different persona or genre to free habits, then return. Make sure to note what changed. That insight usually reveals the core of your true voice and how to maintain it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.